Okay, this one, first I want to show this alarm clock, right? This one is very hard plastic, so when you drop it, it's like not easy to break. And this one alarm clock, when you wake up, is very noisy. Like sometimes, like when your kids cannot wake up, right? So this one is a very suitable mini alarm clock for your kids to wake up to go to school. Sometimes they cannot, like, call also cannot wake up, right? So when you use this alarm clock, maybe it will help your kids to wake up lah. So this one is very lightweight only, so it's easier for your kids to wake up. And I will put the battery for you to see how it works. This one you have to put, this one is double A battery, the big one, so it's like this one, it's a bit hard, the battery, so I'll try to on and see whether I can use now. Like this, so the sound is very loud. So this one is for this one is for the big one. See the one I twisting here? It's right here. This one, this one, right, where you can rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise. You can turn it like this. Then here, over here, if you can see here, is for the alarm clock for setting. Like, see, there's the yellow needle here. This one is to set what time you want to wake up. So it's very portable, it's very light. So when you wake up, so when you on the alarm clock, it looks like this. It sounds like this. This one is very light, it's very lightweight, so it's easier for you to like put beside your desk, or when you want to use it for like studying, or you want to cook something, you need timer, right? So you can use this one as well. This one mini alarm clock, this one, yeah. So it's very portable, it's very lightweight, so it's easier for your kids to wake up. This one has in total they have 4 colors. Some people they like black color, so black color is like more of like some sort like very cool color lah, I would say. So some people love this striking red, so the color is more sharper compared to others. So this blue is also quite nice, so it depends on their preference lah. People have their different preference, so light and very portable. So when you carry it, is a lightweight hard plastic alarm clock compared to the heavy metal one, so it's easier to put near your desk. This one has each behind the alarm clock has this cover for you to cover, because I don't want to close it too tight. Later I scared cannot open, so I just roughly close like that, so your alarm clock will look like this with the cover closed.